another black coffee.
And through the dark and cold, I know it's all good, 'cause now I'm the best of myself.
It's Yeah, it's 5 o'clock in the evening. So let me give you a little recap of what has happened since yesterday night. So yesterday night I could not fall asleep. I don't know why. I was tired enough to sleep at my regular time, but I could not. And I was just in bed, watching YouTube and Netflix, and I just could not fall asleep until 4 or 5 in the morning. So I ended up having popcorn in the night because I was not able to fall asleep. And then uh, later, I kind of ended up having, uh, I made two toast, applied a little bit of butter, and put some feta cheese on top, and then I had that in the night. And this is until 5 a.m. when I felt like I could fall asleep, and then I felt asleep. So, and in the morning, what happened was my do not disturb is from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. in the mornings. So, after 9 a.m., I started getting some notifications, and my sleep was a bit disturbed after that, and I decided that I'll wake up. So I woke up at around 10:30, and then I stayed in bed deciding whether I wanted to sleep more or whether I wanted to get up. So I thought maybe I'll get up, so I forced myself to get up. I took my weight, I took my progress pictures, and then I thought I just because of lack of sleep, I hadn't slept properly. So I thought that I'll have my breakfast. So I had black coffee, I had chia pudding, and I thought maybe that will be enough to kind of like get me started with the day. So I was all ready to work out, but then I don't know, for some reason after having my breakfast I felt even more um, what's what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. I just felt, I don't, because of lack of sleep, I feel like right after I had my breakfast, I felt like I would just puke it. So I sat myself down for a bit, and then I was still not feeling good. So I thought I would just rest for a while, and then after a while, I think I started falling asleep again. So I thought maybe I should get an afternoon nap so that I'll feel recovered enough to actually get up and get on with my day. But the thing is, I had black coffee, and I think black coffee made my sleep even weirder. Like it was even more disturbed than it was in the morning. So here we are. It's 5 p.m. and I feel rested enough, but I thought I'll just get up and just try and be productive for today. So what I have done is I had my breakfast and black coffee at 12. So I felt like I could move a little bit. So I want to work out, but I don't feel like I have enough energy. So I just made an avocado toast. So I did one slice of bread, took half an avocado, and then made a single egg half fry with some feta cheese and dhania on top, and just salt and black pepper, and also lime. I put lemon on avocado. So this is what I'm going to have as my pre-workout now, and I also took another black coffee. I'm not sure if black coffee at 5 p.m. is the smart thing to do for today, but it's okay. I feel like I have an off tomorrow as well, so we'll see and adjust it accordingly tomorrow. But for right now, I think I'll have this again as again like a mini breakfast or whatever pre-workout you can say, and then I'll work out, and then we'll see where this evening goes.
Lipstick tastes like Candyland. Sticky sweet. gummy bears. Mind if I sit on your lap? Can you handle that? A movie scene, I'm a thriller. Does my voice make you paralyzed? Can you handle that? Can you handle?
It's 10:10 in the night and I have just made my dinner. So this is peanut chutney. This is the high protein idli batter. I made 3 dosas and also sambar. For sambar I have added pumpkin and carrots. I like it in sambar. For peanut chutney I'm sure I'm going to take some more, but this will be my dinner for tonight, and hopefully I'll be able to sleep earlier tonight than yesterday, and I will see you tomorrow. Good night.